A true biker knows that roads are meant to be explored, and friends are meant to be cherished. Every trail, every turn, every shared challenge strengthens the bonds that make riding unforgettable. It's not just the destination, but the people beside you and the adventures you face together that turn a ride into a story. In 2026, let Laos be where you explore new roads, embrace freedom, and create memories with friends who become family on two wheels.